Hey up YouTubers, how are we? Welcome back to the channel. Simon B here again. Not somebody new this time. We're out on the WRF again, why not? It's New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve Friday. I've been busy uploading videos this morning and so I thought this afternoon let's go have a ride out on the WRF. We've had new tyres on, front, well back and front. New wheel bearings. What else have we had? New tubes, front and back. I took the back tyre off it and it was nearly 12-year-old and the front one was 9-year-old. So we've changed them. Run a lot better up here on the road, which is good. Set of Michelin trackers. I've already rode the back one once. Seems a lot better, but anything better than the last one. Do you guys ride anything better than that? I don't know. What's your tyre choice? We're going to do a green lane through Grizedale Forest. What I found out now is that YouTube can, well, does 360 videos. So I've got the 360 camera with me. I'm going to put it on the, got it on the front of the bike there. We're going to do a video, a 360 video, all the way through Grizedale Forest on this green lane. That when it's uploaded, when it's running, you can spin round and look in any 360-degree direction, which is amazing. So we're going to do that and see how that goes like, because you've probably already seen a video of a 360 video of Black Bar, and I don't think anybody's doing it yet. There's no motorcycle vlogger that's doing like different places that allows you to watch 360. So anyway, we're going to do it today. So after this video comes out, once you've watched this one, a couple of days later the 360 one should come out, I think. But anyway, so fancy a bit of green laning, stick around, stay tuned. So then YouTubers, let's go and do a bit of green laning. Probably wrong gear. That's the hardest bit out of the way. It's the hardest bit out of the way. Yeah, this is the byway through Grizedale Forest. This is what you get a lot of, sculptures. A sculpture walk somewhere that goes round, which you can follow. This green lane used to be one way. Used to be. I've checked and double checked, and it doesn't seem to be anymore. I think that, I don't know if there was a lot of traffic on it or what it was. I don't know. Never used to be able to come this way. It was always the opposite way. Now, I may be wrong, but I've checked and double checked, and there's no indication of showing it's being a one way anymore. Quite it's a bit of a technical area, you know. The GoPro won't show this, but I did this 2005 when I had my last green lane. That was before I started trialling. I did this lane, and it was worse than this because they've done a lot to it, and I think this was the last lane that I did. I'd had the bike what, 3 weeks, and sold it. Yeah, for me it's not too bad here. Well, this used to be strewn with rocks like that all the way, the whole lane. So a lot of it's been tidied out. Of it's been changed, but the biggest thing is water erosion. You know, they blame us lot for making it worse, but it's not always us. Not always. But yeah, this is coming this way. This is a fair step. Oh, they've put somebody's been in and put somebody's put some ballast in the bottom of the step. I come up here not so long ago, and that wasn't there when I came up, and I nearly panned it on there. You know, it's a fair step for a beginner. You know, an old Billy Bolt, and I'm not away. You know, I've been doing it for years. But yeah, it's a bit of a fair section, this. Here. Cheers. Yeah, it's I don't know why these barriers are still across, because there's no problem with access. Really? It's got some work cut out to do this week when they're all back to work. Everywhere's still shut. Go on, you can use that other side if you want. Is that rain or just low cloud? Oh really? You think? Yeah, so that was Grizedale Forest. U something or other, I don't know, I'll put it on the screen. If you quite like that, give it a big thumbs up. Look out for the 360 virtual reality tour through there, which I'm starting to do a little bit of. I think there could be you guys and girls, what we're going to call you, somebody tell me what we're going to, boys and girls, guys and what? If I call you all guys and there's women watching, that's not right. So do like what do you call it, fat lad on a bike, happy people, hey happy people. Yeah, could do something like that, I don't know. So if you thought that was alright, go on, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, 87% of you that's still not subscribed to this channel, please click that subscribe button. Ring that bell, because every time I upload a video you will get a notification, and that time is usually 7:30 on a Saturday morning. So if you're out and about, ride safe, be safe, keep safe. Still, don't get COVID, and let's make 2022 an awesome year. Don't forget, check out our sponsors of the channel, Epic Motorcycle Tours. Get yourself booked, get yourself an inquiry in. I think they're going to start putting some dates up soon that allow you to start booking onto if you're looking at doing things like that. And as they say, we'll see you soon.